Welcome to part 3 of me installing my dust collection. In the last video we got as far as me putting up this pipe from behind my chop saw. Now what happens is the blast gate goes over this lip that I've pulled through. That'll be the gate open. That can close it off. Then there will be a 4" to, I believe it's 2.5" or 3" reducer. This will attach to. I might have to extend it slightly. So yeah, like I said in the previous video, the pipe branches off after the chop saw and then it comes up and under, and I've just cut the 4" hole in the workbench with the adapter, and now I'm going to attach the blast gate using hot glue. I'm going to put a small chamfer on this adapter so it fits in the blast gate a little bit easier. So the reason I've left this flexi pipe so long is I don't have my belt sander fixed down. I like to move it around from one end of the bench to the other, depending on what project I'm working on. So I made this clip to hold the bandsaw and table saw pipe up off the wall when I'm not using it. Got about there. I've also made a clip with a magnet on it to fit on the side of the pillar drill for when I'm extracting from here. I'll just have to grab the pipe, put it in, and there you are. And obviously it's on a magnet, so you can move it up and down. Pull the pipe and move the pipe around. So yeah, that is my dust collection all done. Just a few finishing touches to do, but I probably won't make a video about that. So yeah, the next job is to build some support wings for my chop saw and a hood. But that's about it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.